Finally was able to remove the fuel rail. Yeah, right, with a 3-feet crowbar. They were really stuck. So now I want to change the one that I'm having problem with on cylinder number 1. So they changed the number. Mine was A126 56005. Now they changed to A127 07 873. Now putting new one in. Just like that. There's a new clip that comes with it. Okay, there's no side on this, so okay, right there. Almost. Right there. Okay. Now can plug it back. The injector. Push the red tab. And now the fun part. You need to change all the Teflon gasket. As you can see, these black gasket here, these are hard Teflon gasket, and as you can see, they are smaller, so you need to expand them, put them in, and compress them again. I'm going to use a pen. As you can see, I'm pushing it, trying to expand them. Let's see if it goes on. Still tight. Expand them again on the other side. Push it. You push. Okay, one on. Just putting saliva on it, so it's going to be a bit wet. And turn it on the other side. Expand it. And hurry up. Not enough. Come on, baby. Okay. Yes, sir. Now, you play with them, kind of heating them. After this, take a piece of tubing that is tight on it and compress it with the collar, plumbing collar like that. You go over it like this, right there, and you tighten them. It's gonna compress them back to the original size. They are gonna be a fit on the injector. Since I removed the entire fuel rail, you need to change the other seal. This one is brand new, and the other one are still used injector. Okay, so had my lunch. It's been sitting there for like at least 20 minutes, compressing on them. Oh yeah, they're in pretty tight. This is working great. Yep, this definitely is working. Yeah, nice and tight. Yep, this trick is working pretty good. That's how they look. Been compressed for almost an half hour. Now, my injectors did not come with that dust boot, but the dealer just told me to put them on. So at first, when I removed the fuel rail, I thought they were stuck in the on the engine, but there were none. So now I'm ready to install them back on the truck.